Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm showing you how to make this really cute Paris Eiffel Tower shadow box. I love creating shadow box designs, and my members in my VIP Crafters Club have several to choose from. So this is one of them, and it's pretty easy. You just cut out the pieces with your machine, Cricut or Silhouette, or Brother Scan and Cut, or whatever machine that you have. Cut them out in cardstock, and then you just want to put some foam in between each layer, just like this, and that's it. And then you just put them inside of a shadow box. It's really simple. And then in the back, you want to take some LED strip lights just like this, line the edges of your shadow box, and you can cut it down to size and then put the backing on, and voila, it is so easy to do.
Do you want to get access to this cut file? All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase, or better yet, join thousands of other members by joining us at VIP Crafters Club. When you join VIP Crafters Club, you will get instant access to this file and tons of others, plus you'll get access to all the projects that you're looking at right now.